I'll cut up the bitch, I'll gut the bitch. Had to fuck up the bitch, man, fuck the bitch. Won't shoot her, but I will gun bust the bitch.
So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am MinajRun Belize. I post videos every Monday and every Friday at 6. So guys, if you want to be a part of the MinajRun gang, hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. At the end of the day, that subscribe and that thumbs up helps me out so much. And today I'll be doing a skincare video. So you guys, I'll be looking crusty throughout this video, but you're gonna see the improvements in my skin in me using these products that I made myself. So with that said guys, let's jump right into this video. So hey guys, so I'll be doing a skincare video for you guys, and all the products that I'm gonna be using are organic and they're homemade, except for these two products that I use, which is the Aveeno Positively Radiant Moisturizer and the White Rain Gentle Facial Scrub. So guys, we're extremely close today. So I put the camera this close so you guys can see what's happening with this face. Like, girl, she needs help. So we'll see how these products work, and let's see if it picks up any of my leftover makeup that I had on, and let's see how all of these organic items work. Well, for me, basically they work amazing. I love all of them. I use them, like some of them I use every day, some of them I use 2 times a week, and some of them I use once every week. So okay guys, so the first thing that I'll be using, and as you guys can see, I've used this a lot. This is a skin toner. This is basically water, baking soda, and apple cider vinegar. And what this does is this literally takes off your dead skin. Let me see if I can show you on my hand. My hand has on no makeup. I'm just gonna spray some on, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna take this little cloth and I'm gonna rub. Let me see if I can show you guys. I'm gonna rub it. Okay, look at this residue, guys. Look at that. Ain't that, like, guys, that is so amazing. Look at that dirt, and I didn't even expect to have dirt there. And don't be coming for me in the comment section.
I'm not gonna say that because I know be good, because I knock you out, can't be fucking good.
So what I do is I basically spray this on my face. I literally lift up my hair like this. I shake it. I spray it on
my face. I close my mouth.
Take that body, let me see you just do it to the fullest extent. Move that body, let me see you just do it, girl, you're magnificent.
I let it sit
for about like a few seconds, guys. It doesn't have to be a minute, but it could be a few seconds, and just let it sit in the skin and let your skin absorb it, because the baking soda and the apple cider vinegar are taking out all the little dirt, all the little bacteria that are stuck in your pores and hiding in between your skin. I'm gonna go in with this part of the wipe that is a little bit clean, but let's see if we still have any. Let's see.
Actually does like an amazing job, guys. Like, it takes off all the dirt. And as you guys can see, I'm wiping my forehead as hard as possible. When you wipe your eyes, guys, just go as gentle as possible, because your eyes tends to be sensitive. And then your nose, and all in the little corners of your mouth. You could also, yes, also in your ear. You have to clean all in your eyebrows, guys.
So this is the part that I used the first time, and this is literally the part that I used just now. So as you guys can see, look at that, guys. Look at the dirt. Look at the dirt. And guys, you could make, I had this bottle full. I always use this, and I know you guys can see a huge difference now from when I just started. But we're not done there, guys. So guys, next I'll be using the White Rain, and basically what this does is this smoothens your face, it cleans your face, and it minimizes pores. It leaves your face with a cleaner canvas, a smoother, cleaner canvas, and you see results quickly and immediately. So this is actually true. After I use this, I always see great results.
Money down on a new toy, and you know that I've been looking for you, baby. You need somebody wavy. 300 down on the red, I bought the whole thing. Young nigga getting this cake, it's not a joke. I'm that nigga and I'm wavy. These souls never about to play me, okay?
So guys, after putting on the product, I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 or 15 minutes. Okay guys, so now as you guys can see, I'm here with my face all wet. I'm gonna dry my face, guys, in patting motion. Face feels not, it doesn't feel smooth like baby skin, but it feels like it's not oily and it's not like, guys, look at my face. Do you see any? Does my face look oily to you? No, it does not. So guys, the next product I'll be using is this little jar here. It's a little, I won't tell you what's in it. I'm just gonna tell you what I do, how I use it, because I already have a video on how I make this coffee scrub, and yes, this is my own coffee scrub that I make myself. And if you want to see the video to that, guys, click at the top, click right up there, look at it. It's that little banner right there. Click on that to go watch how I make and create this coffee scrub. Just gonna stop talking. I'm gonna put it on, and after I'm gonna go wash my face, and I'll show you guys how it works. So yeah.
If we a fuck y'all like you a fuck, man, you can't come and grind me. No, she gonna let me fuck soon.
So guys, basically I just keep on rubbing until I feel satisfied, till I feel like my face is clean. So this is what my face looked like after, and my face now is actually, guys, if I could have take your hand and put your hand on my face, guys, you would know my face is so smooth like a baby's butt. Like, it's so smooth, and like I said in the and as you guys can see, my face is not oily. That's amazing. And guys, like, I'm seeing a big progress here. Like, I know this product works because I made it, and I just know it works. Okay guys, so the next product that I have here is actually another product that I made on my own, and it's in another one of these cute little jars. Yeah. So this next one is, I haven't done a video on this one, but I won't say what's in it. If you guys want to see me make a video about it, just comment down below and I'll make it. But basically this is a oatmeal mask, and this smoothens your face and also reduces your pores and minimizes them.
Don't give up, don't give up, no, no, no. I'm free to be the greatest time alive. I'm free to be the greatest here tonight. The greatest, the greatest, the greatest alive. The greatest, the greatest alive.
I'm gonna be using this last product, and I always use this after I've treated my face, so everything is stick, so my face is like hydrated and, you know, beautiful. So now I'm gonna just take a few, like basically like 3 pumps of this, like literally 3 pumps, guys.
And I do mean literally 3 pumps. I'm just gonna take this and rub it all over my face.
And the critics are tissue, but the strongest survive. Another scar may fish you.
Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no.
So guys, I put that product in my face to moisturize my face and to keep my face healthy throughout the night when I'm sleeping, and in the morning when I get up, I just wash it off, and I use a regular hand soap and I just wash my face, and my face is good to go. So you guys don't have to do this entire process. You guys could use either 1 or 2 or as much of the products that I did in this video. You could use them, or you could just use 1 product. You don't necessarily need all. I just use all because
you know what's in it, extra bitch, me extra as fuck.
And at the end of the video also, I'll have the before and after picture, so you guys could compare and tell me if you guys saw a big difference. But I know during the entire video, guys, if you're watching and you're paying attention and watching everything closely, I know you saw progress and I know that you saw the big difference because
primera vez mi ojera estaba hasta allá y ahora mi ojera está ahí. No está así, está aquí, solo chiquito, pequeñito. Oh, no está así como, chilindrina. No, está aquí. Ya terminó ahí. No se mira, like, te voy a matar, cabrón, te voy a matar. Te voy a matar, cabrón.
So yeah, guys, and if you guys didn't know, yes, I am bilingual. I speak Spanish and English and Creole. So versatile, bitch, me say. But yes, guys, with that said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and share this video with your friends that are into skincare. And guys, if you don't want to spend like crazy money on those moisturizers, those products that are out there, I know they're super, I'm sorry, I'm sweating, I'm sorry. Yeah, those products that are out there are super expensive, guys, and these products that I made at home, literally, they were all under $10, like the face video. So with that said, guys, thank you for watching my little runners. See you in the next video, and I can't wait for you guys to go and subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I can't wait for the rest of the videos that are gonna be coming onto my channel, guys. So click on the notification button, guys. So bye, my little runners. Thank you for watching. So hey guys, go watch these videos right now. Just click on any one and go watch them right now. Bye, guys.